Hey friends, how are you today? What day is this? Is it Friday that I'm putting this up? Hi, happy Friday. I hope you're doing well. Yay, it's the weekend or almost the weekend if you're at work. Are you watching this at work? Hi, we're here to do a quick little cash stuffing and yeah, I hope you're doing well. We're gonna get right into it. What am I doing here? Okay. Let's check some rollover. My desk is still an absolute mess, so I kind of zoomed in a little bit today. I really need to clean it off. I have a ton of, I told you guys, like nail polish and stuff. This is where I do like my nails. Here are my like latest nails. I've been doing stamping. Like, look at this. How cute is that? And this one too. Super cute, right? But anyway, I just leave the stuff here on my desk and I've been getting so many new polishes because I'm a member of a new program. I don't even know if I'm really able to say it. It's like a review program. And so I've been getting so many things from that, and yeah, I need to organize them, but I have like nowhere to put anything, and so it's just kind of all like sitting everywhere, and so basically my desk is a mess. Okay, this is the money for the cash stuffing. I'm super interested to see how much rollover we have because I think I did pretty well this time, but we're gonna see. Let's check out the change first and see what the situation is with that. And yes, like I said, I hope you're doing well. Do you have any plans for this weekend? Do I have any plans for this weekend? I don't know. Let's see. Okay, so not a whole lot of change there. That's okay. Early September. No, I don't think we have anything concrete for this weekend, which is good. There is a little like festival, I guess. Not even. It's like a little, I don't know, we kind of call them picnics around here. Some people might call them bazaars. Whatever you like to call it. There is one going on this weekend. It's actually right by our house. It's like 2 streets over from our house. It's super duper close. And so like if you leave our house like off of our front porch, and basically if you were to walk straight this way, you would hit it, but because of the way the houses are laid out, you can't really walk that way. But yeah, it's like right there. Oh, wow, we have a lot. Okay, so for rollover, we have 20, 40, 60, 75, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $96. What? I knew it was a lot. I don't know how that's even possible. 96? Wow. Wow. Okay. I do owe myself $10 because I ran to Walmart last night. I just had to get eggs and allergy medicine for my daughter. And I picked up this like little sleeve for my foot for plantar fasciitis. It's been really bothering me. And it was $10. And I was just going to take the 10 out of medical. So this would be $106. But I'm thinking now I have enough rollover. I'm thinking I'll just leave the 10 in medical because my medical fund is pretty drained. So I'm thinking I won't even bother. I actually have a doctor's appointment tomorrow anyway that I need some of that money for. So I may as well just leave the money in there and not even reimburse myself. Wow, $96. That's amazing. Okay. All right, so let's check the budget here. This is my bright, undated budget planner, and this planner is on its way out, you guys. Let's see, I think I started it in November. Yes, so next month will be the last month we use this planner, and then I'm gonna bring in my new one. Ooh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to get that in the mail to show you guys. Oh, I love it so, so much. But yes, if you're interested in this planner, it is available on Amazon. It will not be spiral bound version. This was like a special order I did. So yeah. Okay. So we're looking at first paycheck in September here, and we're not doing much at all. We're basically doing nothing. Okay, so let's see how much this is. I think it was $280. So let's see. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2, 20, 40, 60, 80. Yes, okay. So I am going to need some change. So right off the bat, 20, 40, 60, 80. So $80 goes to my mom. So I am going to set that aside. Just looking for a sticky note. I have so many notes and papers and like things here, and I just can never find something to write on when I need it. So here we go. Okay. And yes, I know it's for my mom, but I just feel like there might come a time where I look over and I see $80 and I'm like, what the heck is that for? And this this just avoids that. So for mom, there we go. That's labeled, that's taken care of. Boom. Okay. And then $40 is going to the festival. So I told you guys, we're going to Oceans Calling, myself and a couple friends, to see NoahCon. Yay! So excited. That is September 27th. And so that was like a last minute kind of spur of the moment plan. Because of that, I didn't have time to save or anything. So my budget did change for September. So for September, I'm not doing any sinking funds. I'm just taking what I would have put towards sinking funds and putting that towards the festival. So $40 of this paycheck is going to go towards that. And so we now have 20, 40, 60, and 80 towards that, which is good. I am not planning on needing much spending money at all, you guys. The ticket is already paid for, the concert ticket. The room is already paid for. So really, I need some gas money to give my friend. She is driving. I need money to eat. And like to buy some merch if I want to, which I'm not. I may buy like a NoahCon t-shirt or something. I'm not going to buy anything more than that. And that's it. We're just going for the one day overnight. You know, we're going to be at the festival the whole time. We're not going to go out to dinner or anything. We're just going to be eating there. So it's going to be like snacks and stuff. It's not going to be full meals or anything like that. So yeah. And I also, there's this cool thing where, so your festival, like your ticket, it's actually a wristband. You can add a debit card or a credit card onto your wristband to be cashless. So that way, if you buy like a drink or food or something at the festival, all you have to do is scan your wristband, and that way you don't have to actually carry any cash with you. I'm probably going to do that just so it's even easier. I don't even need to worry about having anything on me, possibly losing anything. Probably link that up to like my debit card or something. And so that's what I'm planning on doing, like as far as when we're at the festival. And so this actual cash that I'm using will just be for gas money. And then like maybe if we grab breakfast the next day, like before we leave to drive home, or maybe like if we stop at a gas station on the drive down or the drive back, because it is like over 4 hours of a 4-hour drive for us. So yeah, so that'll just be for like incidentals or whatever. So yeah. Okay. So that is done. And then this should be 160. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60. And I need some change. 10, 15, 20. Okay, and this is going to be a lot of 20s for my savings challenges, but I can go through and try to find some change when I do my challenges. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 50, right? 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 50. Yeah, 150 for my wallet, and then this $10 actually is going to go back here, and that's going to be towards challenges. And the only reason for that, I tell you guys every time, is only because I could only take increments of 20 out of the ATM. So I had to take, I really needed 270 in cash, but I had to take 280 out because I can only take increments of 20. So 10 of that is just going to carry over to the challenges. So I had $37 of my budget to go towards savings challenges. So instead of using $37 of prop money, 10 of it I took out in cash, and then I'll just use 27 of prop money. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, that's it though. This was a super duper short one. But yeah, no less fun, I guess, for me anyway. I know my cash stuffings are probably pretty boring to watch, and I've been trying to think of ways to spice them up for quite some time now, like over a year. But to be honest, like, this is what works for me, and I have to do what works for me and for my budget. I can't just go changing it and making it like crazy fun and different, because if it's not going to work for my budget, then you know, it's not worth it, right? So I do appreciate you watching and you sticking with me till the end, even though it's not necessarily the most riveting content. But yeah, the savings challenge video will be next, and that should be super duper fun. So I'm so grateful that you're here. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the savings challenge video. Bye.